right there. Come here. I gotta tell you a secret. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. For anyone else hear it. So we know Scentbird offers over 450 perfumes, right? And that subscription is $14.95 a month. But did you know they also sell lotions and hand creams and oh my. So yeah, they offer these as well. And this scent is white tea and figs. And I got some more to share with you. See all the goodies that I got? So I'm gonna open it with you. This is what it looks like when I got it. You gotta hurry up before someone else sees. Keep a lookout for me while I open it. And, oh my God, they sell body scrubs as well. Oh no, this is a body polish. And this is a body scrub. See how big these bottles are? And they also have the hand creams in these two different sizes. And this is Cucumber Lotus. And the airy body polish is rose and, oh no, see that word right there? Right there. Oh, and this is coconut sugar. Let's see what they smell like. It smells fresh. Yeah. The airy body polish is like a real soft, gritty grain. So I think this would give your body like that soft makeover that you want of your skin. And let's see what this one smells like. I bet this one smells really good. The coconut and sugar. And they got this thing packaged good. Right. So let's, oh God. If you can smell it, smell it. Oh, don't it smell good? I know, right? So you can also get these in a monthly subscription. Oh, and this is like, you can feel the coconut in it. It's right thick, it's thick. So let's see what the lotions smell like. Oh, and you know what? They're nice and moisturizing. See? It's got my hands moisture. It's got the oils and stuff in it. The natural oils that your body needs, or the oils that your body needs. And okay, let's see. This is Cucumber Lotus. You want to smell it first? Okay, I'll let you smell it first this time, okay? And you tell me what you think. You smell it? What does it smell like? Oh, you want me to see? Okay. That smells good too. Real refreshing. Real refreshing. And let's see what it goes on like. It's not thick, but it's very moisturizing. And it's a smooth go over. And this got a lot of oils in it as well. See my hand? This is this one. This one is not that ashy, but this one feels really good. I'm giving it all. Oh yes, I can smell it real good now, guys. The coconut and cucumber and lotus. And it's a soft scent. It's not an overpowering scent. It's very soft. So let's see what white tea and fig smell like, guys. I'm gonna have a discount code down in the description box for this, or a link that you can click on to go order you some hands and body creams and scrubs and stuff. And so also what I'm going to do is I am going to not open the white tea and fig. This one right here, it is a 1 ounce, yes, a 1 ounce container of their hand cream. And then I have a subscription to their perfumes, so I'm going to also give away one of the perfume scents. So it'll be a perfume scent and this, but you have to go click on the link, and maybe you could buy something, but click on the link, go take a look around, and then come back to this video and put what you either purchased or what you would like to purchase. And please, let's not have a lot of likes. Let's buy some of this, because this is very, very worth it. I love it. I'm gonna start getting these things in my subscription each month, and I'll let you know how much the subscriptions are for these two things, for these products. Go over and check Scentbird out, and if you don't get any body creams or lotions, please truly think about getting the perfume subscription. You have your choice of all these designer perfumes out here, kinds that will cost you upward to maybe $80, $90, $100 bottles of perfume. All right, did anybody come while I was gone? They didn't. All right, we're good then. So these are their, when you get the black packaging, then you know you're going to have a pop-up in it. And this is a case. You can take this out and put another perfume in here as well. I can walk around in my purse with me some Michael Kors, and it's cute too, fashionable. So you can twist this up, take that perfume out, pop this one in and twist it. So you can change them out all the time. So guys, now that I showed you my secret that a lot of you may not know Scentbird, so these goodies right here. So go on over and purchase you some, either a hand cream or a body scrub or a body polish. And these are some nice sizes. And these are the hand creams. And remember, one lucky person will win one of these and one of these. This Valentino. Alright guys, so don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with 10 people or more, or 10, or you know, put them on your social media sites. And it's a link down in the description box. Click that link and it'll take you over to the Scentbird site and sign up for a subscription. It's easy. You can cancel it anytime without any penalties. You can call them and skip a month. So you can go on your website and log into your account, and you can actually tell them, okay, send me this body scrub, or send me this hand lotion this month. Or you can put, as far as your perfumes too, you can ask what you want. So good luck to everyone. I love you guys, and bye-bye.